We found it to be highly irregular and a bit disrespectful to the office holder and to the office itself, and such a very important institution, the institution of the Industrial Court of Trinidad and Tobago, to have taken a decision and communicate that to the office holder 2 days before the expiration of the contract. It's also to be noted that Her Honor, Mrs. Deborah Thomas-Felix, is out of the country, out of the jurisdiction at this point in time, while that decision has been taken and while it is going to be given effect. What that means is that tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, the office of the sitting president of the Industrial Court of Trinidad and Tobago will be held by someone else, while the current office holder is out of the country, because she is due to return on Saturday. Now, the first point I wish to make about all of this, that this speaks to not only bad industrial relations practice of the worst kind, but it also seems to suggest that the custodian of good industrial relations practice in the country, the president of the Industrial Court herself, is falling victim to bad industrial relations and harsh and oppressive treatment meted out by the government of Trinidad and Tobago. And it really demonstrates disrespect for the institution of the court, what it represents, and the office holder who would have taken the court from one particular lower level to a different heights, where all of the decisions that are made by the court, we in the trade union movement, we don't always agree, but at the same time we accept the decisions based on the fact that the current office holder, Her Honor Deborah Thomas-Felix, is very experienced, has international experience, is recognized and respected internationally, and she brings to bear a level of balance and independence, and therefore restore a level of confidence in the court. And as I said, we don't always agree, but at the same time we respect her and we respect the judgment. Now, what is that going to do to industrial relations in the country, which is already bad, which is in desperate need of repair, restoration, and for working people in this country to have confidence in the court, not viewing the court as being biased or controlled by the government? That is going to really remove any shred of confidence that working people may have had in the court.